The daughter of Defense Minister Opamchinguri Kashiri, Tanya Rosina Rushesha, has been arrested. Ashpere mushe mure Zimbabwe tinoti aiwa another Mnangagwa minister's daughter arrestewa nokuda kuma issues of corruption. Sabina mashoko abdanyo kwa mzira nasi muzimu not bo subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Onyera vachiti the 35-year-old Tanya was arrested on Friday on allegations of selling bulk fuel on the black market. Tanya is accused of approaching these business owners, claiming to sell bulk fuel and convinced them to place large orders after giving her substantial payments. However, she has completely failed to deliver any of the promised fuel, according to the police sources. However, ZimI reveals that there is a dramatic conflict that is erupted between Tanya and Tariro, daughter of President Mnangagwa, over a contentious disagreement in their shared fuel business. The clash has resulted in Tanya's arrest, with the police accusing her of fraud, ZimI sources stated. Tariro, who operates a fuel joint, is at the center of this high-stakes drama in an incident hints at a larger pattern of conflicts involving Mnangagwa's children and their interactions with both relatives and the general public. The unfolding saga continues to captivate the nation's attention, highlighting the intense rivalry within Zimbabwe's political elite. Tudze mafungiro enyu mnoti kudipa msoro ayo hape mwana wa Opamchinguri ayo anoinvolvewa ayo kutengesa fuel zviri illegal zvaita kuti kunyangwe ayo nemwana mutungamiri wenyika ainvolve munyaya iyi. Pinda comment section medu mutudze pamusoro pema issues corruption aya musakana subscribe kulike turn on the bell icon.